I'm going to be invading your space for a minute. All right, we have zinc on the left, aluminum in the middle, and copper on the right. Go ahead. And you want to go ahead and stopper them lightly. I want to zoom in here. Let's see. So again, we have zinc on the left, aluminum in the middle, and copper on the right.
Maybe. You put your arms real tight?
No, you just can't move it off. That's fine. You too.
Okay, so what are we noticing?
Bubbling.
Okay.
Zinc.
That's fine. Because it isn't doing nothing.
I don't see anything happening.
You and Jacob are
What do you mean you don't see anything happening?
David
Are you
has a
watching?
special one.
No, we never did this. We never did this.
Jacob is listening.
I actually got it to work. Oh yeah, that actually works.
I tried making one of these.
These?
Oh, did you see that?
All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to test the gases being produced because we want to know what the gases are. We want to know what color the gas is. We want to know what it smells like, and we want to see if it's flammable. Okay? So noting the color should be fairly straightforward, right? Do we see any color in the gases that are being produced? Okay. All right. Then the next thing we're going to test is the flammability. We're going to do that by lighting our little stick on fire and then doing what?
Putting in the fire.
Yeah, and you just put it over the top of the container, and we'll see if our gas is flammable or not.
So we like,
What are you guys supposed to do? Anything?
like, is that supposed to like react or anything?
You'll see. There's no supposed to in science. There only is or did not. Right? Yeah. There is no, we can't ever deal in supposed to's. Right? In science, it's always what did you observe? Right? Right now, what are we observing? Right. Well, if you take a look. Do you see anything? You should see something.
It's like wrestling, trying to make it all work out. We did 4 laps, and then we did lunges,
You should start to see.
and then some other stuff.
You just have to keep on.
Big.
Because there's also something else that we're taking into consideration here, which is the rate of the
Bubbling
reaction.
a little bit.
Right? It is definitely bubbling. Right? Now it's not bubbling as vigorously as the zinc was. I'm going to put them a little closer together so I can. Right? So the aluminum is certainly not bubbling as vigorously, but you see the big bubbles that are starting to form. Right? So there's not enough gas in that tube for us to test that yet, but there's plenty of gas in that zinc tube if you want to give it a try. Okay? So when we test the flammability of the gas coming off of the zinc.
Right? There we go. There it is.
Yeah, there we go.
Finally, Jacob took one.
Okay.
Well, that's good.
But now that it's started, right?
I think it's close.
It's not gonna go, I think.
I barely put on the stove.
Is it supposed to like?
Okay. So now's a perfect time for us to test the flammability of those gases.
All right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to use that in our wood split. Okay, good. You do the honors.
What's he?
All right.
It's not working.
No. Zinc first, I would say.
Okay. Ready? So flammable gas or no?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, actually, you can use it.
Yeah.
Use it for the next two. All right.
Yeah, it's really good.
Flammability test for aluminum, and then we'll just follow it up with copper. Flammable?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, next one.
No.
No.